Everyone, and welcome to the weekend edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap Friday's jobs data and take a look at some stocks we are watching for the coming week. But first, if you want our free alerts, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. Sign up first with your email, then you can sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a download copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms, no Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up is KEGS. I told everyone about this in the first video of the new year. I said that this was the only OTC stock I liked at that moment. And how did we do for the week? It was the #1 penny stock for the week, up 333%. I said, guys, whenever a company, OTC in particular, is reducing their share count, that is bullish. We saw that last year with GDVM, and KEGS is just absolutely on fire. Even on Friday, closed up another 31%. So congrats to all who watched the video, did their own research, and banked in KEGS. Congratulations again. In terms of the overall market, stocks recorded their first significant rally of 2023 as the release of jobs data triggered a major move that we saw the U.S. all equity, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ, they all rallied. The S&PY was up 2.29%. The QQQ was up 2.76%. All 11 S&P sectors rallied. The upswing came after the release of the government's monthly jobs report. While headline numbers pointed to ongoing strength in the job market, the report also included signs of potential softening, including slowing wage growth. This opened the door for some bargain hunting trades. In other words, the conditions the Fed has been saying they're required to ease up on the rate hikes may be arriving. Therefore, we got the equity rally on a Fed pivot hope. If you look at trying to explain the bullish reaction, ultimately because everyone was so bearish that any hint of joy, any glimmer of hope, that has folks chasing their tail, covering shorts, chasing momentum, if they worried that they miss out on the next rally. I said, guys, the numbers I was watching was on the SPY, 376, 386. We closed above there. I am bullish. I think we are going to rally this coming week. So that is my take on the market right now. For next week, Jay Powell speaks on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Thursday, we get CPI data at 8:30. And on Friday, big earnings from the banks. JP Morgan reports, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, BlackRock, Citigroup, Bank of New York, all reporting on Friday. So that will set the turn as earnings season is in full force. WWE told everyone on the Thursday night video to be bullish, that Vince McMahon coming back was indeed a positive sign, that he was going to come back and set the company up for a possible sale. They also are renegotiating some network deals, so that was indeed bullish. The stock opened at 80.05, and that was the low of the day. I love these types of trades, guys. When you get a stock that opens at the low and just completely powers higher, that is indeed bullish. So here, this is what I'm talking about. You have the same, the open was 80.05, low 80.005. So again, when it opens at the low of the day, that I love that type of trade. You know, I've been talking about the opening range, the first 15 minutes. If you get that type of trade, you can just go right in. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just trying to give you pointers and explain how I trade and the things that I look for when it comes to, you know, making an investment decision. Again, you should talk to your, do your own research or talk to a licensed financial advisor. For me, I traded Tesla. Just thought it was completely oversold. The stock had opened was down over 7%. Over the last week, the news was that Tesla had cut prices in China on the Model Y and Model 3 for the second time in less than 3 months. You also had Rivian issued a delivery report that missed expectations. The Chinese names, they all were lower in concerns over profitability. And right now you also have the EV sector in terms of they're dealing with some macroeconomic headwinds as CarMax blames soft numbers on inflationary pressures that impacted vehicle affordability, have higher interest rates, and consumer confidence. Looking ahead, Morgan Stanley thinks 2023 could be a reset year for the EV market, where the last 2 years of demand exceeding supply will be substantially inverted to supply exceeding demand. So again, let's see how it plays out. Let's see what else here we got. Tesla, I mean, big volume. I mean, over 220 million shares traded. If you look here at the daily chart, I mean, made fresh new lows on Friday. So this was a new 52-week low on Friday at 101.81. So again, closed at 113. It just seems like we keep going down and testing the 100. So right now, I traded out of Tesla. I got in at 102.25, sold it. I'm just watching right now. Again, as I've said in my previous videos, I think right now cash and trading, getting in and out, you know, day and swing trades in terms of short-term momentum, that's what's working right now, and that's what we're trying to do here. Find these types of plays for subscribers at insiderfinancial.com. On Thursday, I talked about PLX. This one closed up 6.99%. Congrats. I think this one is going to keep running higher. Nice breakout here. I'm looking for more upside in PLX. Two plays, biotechs, I talked about on Thursday night video, or SPRB and CTMX. Guys, look at this opening range. I did not trade either one. Look at this opening range. I mean, it just basically opened, dumped right away at the 15-minute. That is a sign that there is no trade there. So when, again, like I talked about in WWE, the stock opened at the low, powered higher throughout the day. In SPRB and CTMX, they both opened at the high, sold off from there. Again, that is a sign of a no trade. And again, I talk about a lot of this in our free ebook. So make sure you click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email to get your free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Moving on, I said at the beginning of my stock market outlook video, I said I like China names this year. WYNN and BABA, both are continuing to run higher. And we also had an update on the website, pre-market FNGR, slated to hit 100 million run rate with 100% Q over Q growth. I highly recommend everyone go and check out the article. It's on the website. We'll include a link in the description. FNGR, again, the article came out pre-market. Stock was up closed up 23%. So again, if you got that, you banked up 23%. We think this one has a lot more room to run heading into next week. Two OTC plays that I like for next week are BIXT and SIRC. BIXT is just consolidating here right now, getting ready to make a major breakout. There's a lot to like with this one. This last press release, talking about an update from Crystal Research. if you read it here, report the company announced positive top-line safety and efficacy results from its randomized placebo-controlled phase 2 clinical trial in 34 patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. During the 7 days of treatment, an orally administered galectin antagonist in the form of a chewable tablet was administered 8 times per day on an hourly basis. The trial met its endpoint with a 100% response rate by day 7 versus 6% in placebo, which was statistically significant and something that has only ever been accomplished by one other drug in the past decade. So this is huge news, not getting a lot of eyeballs. This is a sleeper, BIXT. Highly recommend you go and do your own research on BIXT. Next up is SIRC, up 40%. This is a past runner we've nailed on a number of occasions. This one looks to have bottom. Nice action on Friday. Put out a big press release. The company completed the EnerRev acquisition. They made a promotion to VP of Sales. So again, big news here from SIRC. This one has a lot of revenues in the solar sector. Solar names are running right now. This is certainly one to get on your radar, SIRC. But if it was a good week here at InsiderFinancial.com, we're happy. We had one alert to start the new year. That was a big winner for subscribers. We talked about it here on our channel. You can go and see what we've had to say. I talked about on Thursday night China stocks and biotech penny stocks. Our first penny stock alert of 2023 runs 30%. So again, we started the year off strong here at InsiderFinancial.com. We're happy for all of our subscribers that banked this week. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. Videos do not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. Let's all have a big trading week this week. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.